this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Google Home Mini second generation. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can perform a factory reset on your Google Home Mini second generation. The process is going to be different than the first generation model, so I'm going to showcase this one first, and then I'm going to talk about what to do if you have the other model. So to reset a second gen Google Home Mini, first, set it to the microphone off position. So toggle the microphone into the off position. Once you hear that the microphone has been disabled, now you can perform the reset by pressing down roughly on this spot here. So place your finger above these LEDs on the main unit and then press down for a few seconds. So just use your fingers and press down on this spot. Hold down on it for about 5 to 10 seconds and you will hear a voice line prompting you if you would like to reset the unit. If you want to reset, just proceed on holding down on this spot. After you hold it down for a few additional seconds, so maybe 5 to 10 once again, the reset will be performed. Once you hear a chime, it indicates that the reset was performed successfully, and now it has been reset and you will be able to set it up anew. For the first generation model, it is going to be a button on the underside. So if you flip it around, if you have the first generation, it is going to be a button right above the charging port. That is going to be a dedicated reset button. So instead of pressing on the middle of the main unit, you just press down on that reset button and do the exact same thing. Just keep holding it down until you hear the chime. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.